Live YouTube. All right, y'all. So we need to replace our flex pipe on one of the other rides. So you know how you save some coin. You gotta go on here and see if you can find it. 'Cause that's all they gonna do when you take it to the store. All they gonna do is order it. So you might as well beat the punch. Order it yourself. Put it on. Save you some bread. You see, Amazon got some. You know, they got some. You just gotta see which one you might want to fit. Different prices, but I look at the steel and that I look at the metal though. But you still can get you some for some real decent prices, y'all. So you know what I'm saying? Get your cars from Sound Loud. Spend a couple dollars on Amazon. They even gonna bring the shit to your house. So yep. Uh yeah. So I'm just going through here, seeing what I'm about to order. I need something that's gonna kind of be here quick by like this day right here, the 28th. You know what I'm saying? See everybody else talking about the first, second. Damn, you can get this one here on the 26th. Damn, you can get this one here tomorrow, y'all. JY Performance. Let's see what he's talking about. Let's see. All right, y'all. Well, it says that over 50 people bought it last month. And they're going to get it here to us on the 28th. No, that should say the 30th. Oh, no. Prime members. They can get that shit tomorrow. Not bad for the price, though. You know, not bad for the price. All right, so we got our description. It says silver, blah blah, stainless steel. That's what we're looking for. Round, bold, purpley wire, design compatible with 9 through 17. So they use this same exhaust on all these trucks, y'all. Just need y'all to know that. So y'all go out, don't be scared when your car making noise. Just shit, turn the radio up, cause shit, you gonna mess your engine up. So. We only got a year warranty though. Let me see. Okay, I get gaskets and the box. Ain't nothing additional. Ain't nothing additional. Okay, y'all. Well, look good. We might try this one though. I feel like it's got some good beans. Like it's got some good beans. Like it's got some good wheels too. Got a place for your O2 sensors. So you got 3 outlets. That's where your O2 sensors go. All right, y'all. Now we might try JY Performance, y'all. We might give them a shout out today. All right, let me see what I'm gonna do and I'll get back. Thanks, you too.